KC is 001.
We're back. The Flicker Promotions Cap City 50K. Got rained out yesterday. I had a little practice tree race. It was 1,000 to win. Our boy Gavin ended up winning that. Had a boy. Run for 50 grand off the top today. I'm around the Cuda and the Beretta. Gavin's running for 5K off the bottom. In his S10, we got it parked up there. Early morning, they're drying the racetrack. And yeah, it should be a pretty good day, but we'll see how it goes.
KC going to pick up the win light there. 002, take 12 to be 2 above.
Juniors, lanes 1 and 2 for your time run. Juniors, lanes 1 and 2 for your time run. Juniors, lanes 1 and 2 for your time run. We'll take you now. Juniors, lanes 1 and 2 for your time run. We'll take you now. Glenn Smith, 5 thou red. Pesnell, 003 and 10 thou under. With the scoreboard shining in his lane, KC Pesnell moves on. Tenth thou, separate them up front. Win light Pesnell, 15 and 8 above as Morris 005 and has problems. Has to shut it off early. KC Pesnell moves on.
Another double rake out win going to Rodney Fagan. KC Pesnell left-hand side. Got the Mopar on a 6 flat. Going to take on Barry Woods right-hand side of the racetrack. Dialed 517. Thou separate them. One of them is perfect. KC Pesnell came to play 000 dead 5. 5-pack. Rolls KC through. Woods 27 dead 1 and along for the ride.
Left-hand side, KC Pesnell, the bi-card, out in 594, and Randall Reed in the right dial 487. Reed is red, so Pesnell gets the win. 004 and 2 above. KC Pesnell to round 3.
left-hand side. KC Pesnell dialed 596. Charlie Crosby in the right on a 468. To a 13, win light, give it to Pesnell, 007, take 13 to be one above 2, Crosby, 13 at the hit, and one above 9, no good.
KC Pesnell, left-hand side, the bi-car dialed in 595, and Ty Farmer in the right, dialed 452. $35,000 separated. Win light Pesnell 13 and 15,000 under gets it done. Farmer missed it and put it 16,000 under. No good. KC Pesnell moves on. KC Pesnell left hand side on the bide out 592. .003 up front for Pesnell. And 2 above.
Tree fires. And Rampy looks like he has issues. Grayson, 009, and clicks it off early. Fourth thou, the difference at the starting line. Give a win light to Kevin Pruitt. 11 and 1 above Validity. Holloman going to be the first to light the lamp on the stage bolt. G-Dub to follow. Win light Gary Williams, 008 and 3 above. As it appears neither driver excited to stage him up first. Off and running, 17 thou the difference. Give a win light to Joe Goddard, 13, dead 5. Lays down 18 total. KC 30, take 11. Puts him 23 thou under the dial. Joe Goddard will advance.